Hello everyone, my name is Vadini. I'm from RPIIT College, Karnal. Today we are going to learn about program versus software. Let's start with what is a program and what is a software in detail. Basically, software is a collection of programs, procedures, and data that instructs a computer to perform a specific task. You can also say a program is a set of instructions that you give to the computer so that it can perform a particular task. It is simply a collection and a set of procedures, programs, data, or instructions to instruct the computers about what to do and designed to perform well defined functions. And then what is this is a software which I just said. So software is a collection of set of programs, and the program is it is a set of collection of instructions or orders performed for a computer to perform a specific function. Let's see some very detailed information about how we can see is like difference between the program and software with the detailed verification here. Let's start with the definition. Definition is a set of instructions performed to a specific task, that is a program. Software is a collection of programs and related functionality. What is the composition? That can be simple as single line of code, and then software it is consists of multiple programs, libraries, and data. Development. Development is often created by a single individual and then or small group, usually developed by multiple people. That is a software scope, a specific aimed at a singular task of a set of related tasks, broader, encompassing various functionalities, often very written in lower level of or specific languages, generally smaller in size, ranging KBs and MBs. This is program, and it is a software is very like larger in size, ranging from MBs and GBs. Do not have user interface, and here softwares we do have GUI, CLI user interfaces. Complications, it needs to be compiled and interpreted from each time it runs. Pre-compiled in the software, it is pre-compiled and ready for execution. So this is the difference between the program and software. If you like our like and subscribe, thank you.